I have a learning disability, and when I talk very fast, I start to stutter. But I don't act like I have a disability. I'm like you and me. I'm just like you.
Stephen Martin is a 20-year-old student at Manvel High School. He's part of the 18-plus transitions program, meaning he's been interning part-time with the transportation department while also going to school.
He's really taken to repairing things, removing products and putting them back together, getting to work again. He's excelled especially in tires and tire repair.
Martin's been working with the transportation department since last October. He learned quite a lot during that time.
Doing the tires, oil changes, brakes, doing the light bulbs, helping everyone, being around all these guys, it makes my day even better.
Stephen does not know an unfriendly face. Everybody's a friend. He's a great kid. Everybody gets along with him. He's very, very helpful to everybody in the shop.
But he's moving on to new responsibilities. He'll now be working with the district's maintenance department.
He will be an employee of Alvin Independent School District. He will not be in the transitions program any longer. He'll be just like me and you, got a job. And insurance benefits just means he's growing and advancing into the workforce as what this program was supposed to teach him to do.
Being around all these guys, it feels like I have a work family and a family that I go home to.
Like I said, he's family. I'm sad to see him go, but I'm happy for him at the same time.